Question number 5. Which industries will create the most millionaires in the next 5 years? Grok series says, based on this information from this X post and web page, for the next 5 years, these industries gonna be the trend industry and moneymaker industries. But ChatGPT only said, yeah, the next 5 years will create the most millionaires in industries without, I don't know, giving some data and without giving proof. Why I picked up this 5 industry. So let's see what are they talking about, which industries are a trend and making more millionaires. So both mentioned AI, artificial intelligence and technology, yeah, clear. So as I told you, renewable energy and climate tech. Yes, this is awesome. Renewable energy, one of the industries that definitely will make 100 millionaires in the future, in the near future, not very like 50 years later, but in like maybe 2 or 5 years later. Yeah, renewable energy is very important. So let me read all of them and tell you very organized. I've read all of them and I'm gonna tell you this. Both talked about AI, both talked about e-commerce, health, and Grok 3 talked about renewable energy, finance. Finance industry is also, yeah, always making money. But on the other side, ChatGPT talked about Web3 and digital assets like blockchain, NFTs, and metaverse. Yeah, it can be, but mostly like blockchain technology and crypto tools, which is also, it can partially include financial services. But digital education, yeah, digital education can be also something like e-commerce, and it's kind of products, and coaching and education is kind of online products. So these are industries that can make more millionaires in the future. But for this question, Grok also gave me a bigger picture and data from past decade. Look at here. Data from past decade shows finance and tech consistently top millionaire creation. But renewables and healthcare are catching up as a global priority shift. And it's like user bet on AI and green tech as the next big thing, It gave me bigger picture of the future for the industry that's not too trend right now, but in the future it can be very profitable and wonderful because yeah, green tech is very important thing. Yeah, I've never thought about it. But also it gave something like while Scrappy play in steady one, like yeah, real estate. Of course, real estate industry for the future is for now and the future. Real estate always make millionaires, and it's always one of the best industries for making millions if you have good money. And if you don't have, you can watch this video up here. I explain and ask DeepSeek how to get rich, and also told you in that video how you can invest your money on real estate without having too much money. For this question, again, I would go for Grok 3 because the industry that Grok 3 introduced me is more reliable, and also ChatGPT said that, but Grok 3 gave me more ideas about next industries like green tech. Like it also talked about real estate, so it gave me more well trusted information than ChatGPT. Yeah, because I know renewable energy and financial services are very trend and very profitable. So for this question, I would go for Grok 3. Let's go to the next question.